Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate lights on 1999 to 2007 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras. Let's get into it.
Our LED license plate lights for trucks and SUVs are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be significantly brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just have better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. This procedure is for 1999 to 2007 GM trucks. If your vehicle's a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Now that we're at the rear of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and get started on the passenger side license plate light. Looking at the back side of the rear bumper, at the passenger side license plate light, we've got these two tabs right here. We're going to depress those and then push it out of the rear bumper. Now that the OEM license plate light assembly is detached from the bumper, we're going to go ahead and pull it out just like this. Expose the socket, turn this counterclockwise to remove it. Now remove your OEM bulb. Now we've got our Boost Auto LED license plate light assembly. We're going to go ahead and flip it around. Take your socket out of the assembly, plug it into the OEM socket. Either way is fine, it's not directional. Once that's done, go ahead and plug the OEM socket into the Boost Auto assembly, and now turn it clockwise. When installing your Boost Auto LED license plate light assembly, you've got one side with one tab and one side with two tabs. We're going to install the side with one tab first towards the outside of the vehicle, and then snap in the two tabs. Now repeat the same process on the driver's side license plate light assembly. Well, that about wraps it up for the installation of our LED license plate lights on 1999 to 2007 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras. If you're a fan of those LED license plate lights, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all we have to offer for your build today, such as these cab lights or these tow mirror lights. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.